In the world of gaming peripherals, Corsair has made its mark with some premium quality keyboards that are far more superior to what the competing brands have to offer. These keyboards offer outstanding responsiveness, backlit RGB effects, and some are even available as wireless. In today's video, we're going to showcase 5 of the best Corsair keyboards that you will find awesome.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the K55, a budget variant of Corsair's advanced keyboards that is highly durable and convenient to use. This full-size keyboard comes with rubber dome switches that offer decent feedback and are comfortable to play with. The 6 extra macro keys on this keyboard are completely programmable and you can customize them according to your ease of use. It also has zone-lit RGB lighting that offers enough visibility to type with this keyboard in the dark, a detachable soft-touch palm rest for added comfort, and a dedicated media control panel in the top, which altogether will make your gaming session quite convenient. K55 is completely dust and spill resistant, all thanks to its IP42 rating that will keep it protected from accidental drink slips or dust piling over extended usage. At this price point, the Corsair K55 is an outstanding keyboard with amazing durability and lots of added perks that will suit most casual gamers the best. Next up at number 4, we have the K63 Wireless, a special edition keyboard with ultimate portability that is perfect for couch gaming. This versatile gaming keyboard can be connected to your PC or console via a USB receiver or Bluetooth and can maintain a simultaneous connection with up to 2 devices for effortless multitasking. As for the keys, it is rocking linear Cherry MX Red switches that are extremely responsive to the keystroke and is highly compatible with multiple operating systems. For a laid-back experience, you can mount it on a Corsair lap board, sit back, relax, and enjoy open-world games on your couch in the most convenient way possible. It is equipped with a rechargeable battery that will give you a backup of up to 15 hours from a single charge, or just plug in its USB cable for uninterrupted wired gameplay. If you are a couch gamer who prefers a laid-back gaming experience, then we highly recommend the Corsair K63 gaming keyboard for you. At number 3, we have the K70, a convertible gaming keyboard that has extensive switch options that you can choose between for customized usability. The variety of switches available for this keyboard includes Cherry MX Brown, Red, Silent Red, Blue, and lastly, Cherry MX Speed. Just pick one according to your liking and game on. Personally, we suggest the MX Brown switches as they are quite light to press, comfortable to game with, and generate less noise. Or just go for the Cherry MX Speed, which has exceptional tapping speed and greater linear actuation. Apart from that, this keyboard has lots of extra features such as customizable backlighting, macro keys, and 8MB profile storage to save your custom settings and use it on a different gaming setup. Design-wise, the keyboard is well built with a brushed aluminum frame that looks and feels smooth while adding up to its durability as well. Gamers who prefer precise personalization of their gaming peripherals should consider getting the Corsair K70 due to its outstanding versatility. Coming up at number 2, we have the K95 Platinum, a premium RGB gaming keyboard that offers greater value for the price you pay. It is packing Cherry MX speed switches, which makes this keyboard to have swift linear typing while being ultra responsive for each keystroke. Aside from that, it has 6 macro keys which will give you an upper hand on games like Dota 2 or League of Legends. The frame is made of durable aluminum, which is lightweight yet rugged and can withstand a great deal of gaming and still stay focused for a longer period. To make your gaming sessions more convenient, it has lots of shortcut options including a volume wheel, media controls, lighting, and game modes. Additionally, the 8MB built-in memory can be a lifesaver to save up your custom keyboard settings. The integrated light bar on this thing brilliantly casts an underglowing lighting on your desk that looks sleek when the lights are dimmed. Though Corsair K95 is a little pricey, the amount of features that it has to offer justifies its price point, and that is why it can be a great value for price option for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the K100, Corsair's latest flagship with extra macro keys, Stream Deck support, and tons of notable upgrades from the K95 RGB Platinum. This high-end keyboard is equipped with Corsair's opto-mechanical switches, which are unbelievably responsive as it has polling rate of 4000 Hz. Even if you prefer the previous Cherry MX speed keys, you can get that for this keyboard as well. Each and every key on this keyboard is macro programmable, and it also comes with 6 dedicated macro switches on the left that are easy to reach and toggle whenever necessary. The most unique thing about this keyboard is its IQ control wheel that offers seamless adjustability of the backlit brightness, media, soundtrack, and many more. It also comes with a wrist rest that feels cushiony when you place your hands on them, and it is completely magnetic, which you can seamlessly attach or detach if you feel like it. With all these premium features on board, the Corsair K100 is overall the best mechanical gaming keyboard that you can get your hands on. So that was all about the top 5 best Corsair keyboard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.